So y'all, we just came from Michael's, Target, and Walmart. But I had these little gingerbread men that I got from Hobby Lobby a while back. They are little ornaments to make with kids. And so I'm going to try and attempt to make one with Nuri real quick. Because she's crying about wanting to do it. So let's see what she does. So look, baby. Look. I'm gonna make the hat. Here. Let's take this off. Let's see.
Let's see.
Look. Let's put the hat on. You gonna put it on with me? Put this part on. Look. This is where it goes. Look, look, look. Good job. Good job. Here, let's fix it a little bit, okay? Let's fix it. Here, let's put it back on. There you go. There you go. Now.
That way.
Now that's an eye. Look. Let's finish the hat. Okay? Look at this. Oh, if I can get it.
I think juice.
Alright, look, let's finish the hat. Come on, here, put it back. Put it down. Good job, mamas. Good job. Now, let's do the little dot. You ready? Oh, here, put the dot right there. Look, put it right there.
Okay.
Good job. Good job. Alright, that's the hat. Where's the little bow tie? The eyes go up here, boo. Let's do the bow tie. No, you gotta look. You gotta pay attention with mommy. Look at mommy. Let's put the bow tie right here. Can you do that? Good job. Good job. Let us do...
Gingerbread men have bow ties?
Hey. Okay, that's an eye. Do these eyes come off?
That's mom's gingerbread man.
Oh.
Here, put the eye right here. Here. Why would you even say that right now? Anywho. Good job. Good job. So his eyes are going to be all the way up here, huh?
Alright, I have gingerbread bean pies, man.
Michael. Pause it.
I can cut it out.
All right, let's do his mouth. Here, put the mouth right here. Look, baby. Put his mouth right here. Can you put his mouth right here? Nuri, can we put the mouth on? We'll put the buttons on in a minute. Let's put the mouth on. Nuri, look, baby. Nuri, you have to put the mouth on. Okay, good job. Good job.
Let's do this.
Yes, we're gonna do the buttons. Let's do the buttons. Can we do the buttons first before you pick them up? Because I think you lost one. Here, put a button on there. Show me where you're gonna put it. Put it right there. Good job. Wait, we're not done. We got another one to do. Come on, let's put another button on.
This gingerbread man like it's about to come alive.
Let's do
Here, put another one on. Put it right there. Good job. Good job. Where's the other one at?
Something jingle?
I don't know where the other one went, but
Uh-oh.
it looks pretty, Nuri. Look at your gingerbread man.
I see it.
You see it? Where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
Where'd it go?
Where'd it go? I see it.
See, is daddy coming to the rescue?
I see it.
So you guys, this is almost a finished product. Good job. You found it. You ready to put it on? Almost. Almost. It's on the sticky side. Here. Now do it.
Sticky.
Right there. Put it right there. Okay, that works too. Good job, mamas. You made your first gingerbread man. Did you have fun? Was it fun? We got to clean up our mess. Yeah. Ooh, it's your gingerbread man. Yeah. Let's see. So, you guys.
So happy. I turn that frown upside down.
Yeah. Ooh. So.
She was crying up the storm.
She really was. But you're supposed to put these on there to make it as an ornament. But right now, she's just having fun with it. So, she's happy.
Oh.
It's your gingerbread man. Good job, Mama.
What's his name? What's his name, right?
What's his name? Say gingerbread man. Say it. Say it's your gingerbread man.
Say his name is Winslow.
Oh.
Sounds like a gingerbread man name.
Your teeth.
Winslow.
He doesn't have any teeth, baby.
Here's a teeth.
He needs some teeth. Why does he need teeth?
Teeth, what teeth?
Because he does. He just needs some teeth. Okay.
Okay.
All right, you guys. So we are going to call that a night. And we will be back for another day of Vlogmas tomorrow. So that is the end of this video. Again, you guys, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We will be coming with more DIYs, more Vlogmas, more hauls, more all of the above. Nuri, say good night.
Good night.
All right. Peace out, y'all.